I will be blunt, frank, and honest with you. The true secret for SEO for you as a drone pilot is 3 things. Number 1 is a really well-built site that your fundamental SEO is fantastic. You keep it very simple. Things are backlinked together, so it's easy to navigate throughout your site. You have the right header tags, you have the right indexing done, and everything is fundamentally set up very, very well. Okay, point number 2 is that you need your local papers, your local influencers to literally talk about you, which means backlinks, okay? Backlinks from that point to your site, backlinks from locals, from news, etc. Point number 3, and this is the hardest for people to understand, and it's by far the most important to get on the top and stay on the top. It is constantly creating new content, constantly updating your website and your blog, and that whatever you write is gonna point to another thing on your website, and that you've got a great image on your website, typically less than 2 megabits for your featured image that's 16 by 9 as a JPEG, not a PNG. And in all honesty, you know, if you put out a piece of content every single day, people are searching for this stuff. You will be found.